How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch TikTok app and head to the profile feed or simply the homepage of TikTok. Once done, navigate to inbox icon at bottom right corner and look for the chat where you want to delete the chat or message from both sides. For demo, let me send a message to this users. And once done, you need to long press on this particular message. Once you tap and hold the message here, you will get the delete option at bottom right. Select delete and you got the option of delete for everyone. Select that and the message will be deleted from both sides permanently. So that is how you can successfully delete TikTok messages from both sides. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.